I saw this idea on Twitter and I thought it could be a great way to kind of use as bell work to create students' problem solving skills in the classroom. And so here was the tweet from Jeff that I saw, and I loved this website that he was using that I was like, oh my gosh, this could be a great innovation challenge. And so, what students will do is on the website that Jeff shares, you can find it right here. And if you go to this website, you're able to randomize to get a design or problem that will populate. So design a aid kit that is alive. So what might that look like? And my mind immediately kind of goes to like a robot or something like that. So you can either use that site to help you, or you can make up your own um, that you might need. So design a frisbee that your boss would not approve of. Design a flashlight that puts you to sleep. Design a pair of underwear for a dolphin. Okay, so you have all of these different things and prompts of what you might be able to use to help your students kind of get in that problem solving mode. So they're first going to do a brainstorm. And what I like to do here is kind of that design sprint. And so when it comes to that design sprint, I might do 30 seconds per box. And so 30 seconds here. And then they go on to idea number two, idea number three, and then idea number four. And yet, if they come up with really good ideas and then they're stuck, tell them to come up with their worst idea. And that can just kind of help students get their ideas out there on the board, and they can again sketch, they can bullet point, they can write whatever they need to do to get their ideas out there. But again, they only have 30 seconds in order to get their brainstorm out there. Then they're going to work on their pitch. So when it comes to pitch, they will first draw a sketch of their invention. So they're going to pick one of their ideas from the top that works best. You can also have them do a quick feedback with a partner where they share all four of their ideas, and then they get feedback from their partner about which one they should maybe use for their pitch. Or you can just have students decide. That's kind of up to you on how you want to organize that with your students. And then they're going to explain how it works. And then they're going to name their product and come up with a slogan. And so then you can pick a couple students to share what they've come up with for their pitch. And again, it's a lot of fun and very creative for students to kind of brainstorm and think about what they want to do for their pitch. It gets them to kind of, again, think outside the box and have fun with a um, quick little activity that can be used as morning work.